So we have Chris and Kayla that we're going to.
Oh, the little rambler.
Yeah, it looks like it's really cute. They've been trying to sell for quite a while. Not in the area that we're in often.
No, it's pretty close to the freeway.
Yeah.
From what I remember though, great first-time home buyer house.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's change our shoes and head over there.
Cool.
All right. This is 3-bedroom, 1 bath, a little under 1,200 square foot, and they're currently trying to sell it $315. Hi.
Hi, guys. Les has told me a little bit about, like, you guys have tried to sell.
I tried to sell it when I just lived here alone, and I didn't even get an offer.
Oh.
And then when we got married, we tried to sell it again, and once again, no buyers.
Okay.
This tree actually was one of the reasons. One of the guys said they didn't want it because they were afraid it was gonna fall in the house. Especially because it's not just the tree. Roots have taken over the front of the driveway.
Oh, hardwood floors. This is great.
They need to be redone.
A little rough.
Yeah. Tell me again why you guys are moving.
So we just had a baby.
Oh,
He's 3 months old.
3 months?
Yeah.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's sleeping?
Yes.
Oh. So you guys just kind of outgrew this house?
Yes.
So do you guys need the equity from this house in order to purchase your next home?
We do.
Every penny.
Yeah.
This room is awesome. I love the natural light coming in from the big window, but it is kind of dark in here.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I chose a dark paint color.
But it's a little dark.
Wanna go in the kitchen?
Sure.
Perfect.
And we're in the kitchen. Yeah. Do you feel like you use this space?
We mostly eat in the living room.
You know, in a kitchen this small, it's hard to create a dining area that's really usable. When a buyer walks through, it's a little off-putting that it takes up half of the walkway.
I would say the same with the fridge because getting through the stove and the fridge is so narrow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What's through that door?
This is the master.
Oh, great.
This room feels a little unbalanced. The one light is odd, how it's kind of off center from anything.
Oh, right.
Was that the first time you noticed
I've
that?
never even thought about it.
That
never
is
even crossed my mind.
hysterical. I literally saw you for the first
Like,
time go,
oh.
Lead us on, let's see more.
So there are 2 more bedrooms, and you guys only have 1 bathroom, correct?
Just the one, yeah. So not huge.
Yeah.
But not bad.
Not bad.
No, but it could definitely use an update.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'd want to start in the living room. We need to brighten that whole room up by adding fresh paint to the walls and the fireplace, as well as recessed lighting. The hardwood floors are in great shape. They just need to be polished up, so we're going to refinish them. In the kitchen, we need to find a way to move the fridge so it's not so in the way and replace the cabinets and countertops. We'd also want to paint and add recessed lighting to brighten up the space so it doesn't feel so cramped. In the master bedroom, we simply want to give it a fresh coat of paint, clean the carpets, and move the overhead lighting to the center of the room so it doesn't feel so off balance. And finally, in the bathroom, I'd really love to spruce it up by replacing the flooring and the bathtub surround. I'd also want to swap out the dated vanity for an updated one with plenty of storage.
As you guys knew, that tree was really driving a lot of this conversation, but it has to be addressed. So here's what we're thinking. You had your home listed at $315. You're not selling. If we make a personal investment into your property of $40,000, we feel very confident that we could sell it for $375 or higher.
Okay. Well, that's a lot off $315.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would include removing the massive tree up front and putting in the brand new double-wide driveway. New paint and refreshing the floors throughout the house, updating your kitchen, your master bedroom, and the bathroom. And we also staged the whole house. So if we do that, that would get you guys, after paying back our investment, an additional $20,000 that we could split 10 and 10. Us taking the risk, you guys getting that additional $10,000 that you would then have to go put down on another property.
I think we should do it.
I think we should do it. Let's do it.
It's gonna be great. You guys will be very happy with the
I'm
outcome.
excited.
Okay, this is very fun, very exciting.
Jeff and his team are getting right to work on Chris and Kayla's house. They're starting with removing the old cabinets from the kitchen. This is a 1950s home that is structurally sound but badly in need of some stylish updates to attract the right buyer. We're hoping with some changes to the bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom that we can achieve that. Chris and Kayla's house is coming along great. The team has sanded down the hardwood floors so we can refinish them. And the subway tile is going up in the bathroom. In the kitchen, the clean white shaker cabinets are going in. They are fairly inexpensive, off-the-shelf cabinets, but they are really going to upgrade the look. Jeff changed the layout and moved the cabinets over to make room for the stove, and it didn't end up costing us any more money, so Leslie will be happy with that. Now, we just have to figure out how to make room in the kitchen for a place to eat.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey.
So, you know how we talked very briefly about how we've got no space here for seating?
And the table that was here originally took up half the entryway, so we can't do that again.
If we don't put a table there, then we're gonna have buyers walk in and say, there's no
place
room
to
for a
eat."
table.
Right.
We have now purchased a home that we're going to eat on our laps.
Yeah.
So we have to solve the problem.
Yeah.
We don't have an option but to solve the problem for
Here's
the
another
buyer.
idea. What if we build the table in the middle of the room?
Okay. So
Can you just measure out
well, I
four
just happen to have
Ah.
a piece of metal.
Oh my God, that's ridiculous. It's almost like you've learned.
I have brought many things for you guys to play with. We can get a 3x3 bar top, and then we can put this on top of it.
Yeah, get the little stools that will slide under.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, how much is this gonna cost to make?
All those materials are a couple $100.
First-time home buyer, young couple, anything that we can leave behind that makes them feel like they're getting more at this house, it's just gonna be a huge added value to them. I love this. I think this is the decision.
Here in the Pacific Northwest, we love our trees. But when they get to a certain height and age, they become a real danger. This one really should have been removed years ago. It's not safe. The massive tree out front is being cut down, and we are tearing out the old driveway so we can add a new, wider driveway with 2 side-by-side parking spots. Inside, our acacia butcher block countertops are going in. The butcher block has a really unique grain pattern that, coupled with the green subway tile backsplash, gives our farmhouse style a slightly more edgy look.
Hey, Jeff.
What
Hey,
up?
Jeff. Oh, I love the way that this looks
With the butcher block.
This countertop. Yeah, it looks so good.
I know.
This is good to see in place because I love the copper.
I like the color. It's a little shiny though, right?
We're gonna figure out a way to distress this to be a little more matte.
Well, we could take like an orbital sander to this, give it a different kind of a finish.
And you gotta go this way.
That looks really cool. I like this. We'll just do a little bit more.
We're out so that you can complete this.
Now, all we have left is to stage the home, and we can get it listed. We get a lot of our little stuff. We bring that in. That really helps us to paint the picture, you know. You can absolutely go overboard really easily with staging pieces, especially in the kitchen. And that's why I honestly didn't want to do too much over here, because I want people, and I'm hoping as they walk through, they notice this tile backsplash, and they see that it's something that they're not gonna get in another home at this price point. And there. Perfect. So I was super excited about this closet. Removing the doors, building some shelving in here, a bench. It really turned it into a unique piece that we're not gonna find in other homes. Hi guys! Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
We're not coming out because it's too cold.
Oh, wait, babe, look.
There's 2 parking spots. This is so awesome.
No more tandem parking.
Yay! Come on.
Here we go.
Oh my.
Oh
Look
my
at
goodness.
these floors.
I mean,
It looks so big.
it looks so much bigger.
So big.
Adding lights, light, consistent colors, keeping the floors lighter color is what gives that illusion of this room being so much bigger.
Yeah, it looks like a different house.
It really does.
It really does. Oh my
Oh.
goodness.
It's completely
Stunning.
different.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Oh, you
Look
went
how
butcher
open it
block?
is. Look at the tile.
This is.
And the fridge.
Oh! I mean,
This is totally different.
I'm kind of shocked, actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is so awesome.
This, I mean,
It
it's
feels
so much
huge.
bigger.
So I'm gonna call Chris and Kayla right now and tell them about our offer. I'm so excited. Me too. Chris, it's Leslie and Lyndsay.
Oh, hi, Lyndsay, too.
Hi. Hey, we wanted to give you a quick call and let you know the open house went great. We had tons of awesome feedback. We actually have an offer that is $29,000 over list price.
Oh, I'm like shocked. I'm a little bit in shock right now. You guys, we really could not have done this without you.
I mean, we tried several times before.
We tried, we blew it. Thank you guys so much.